Okay, I made a new file. Now if you want to move the cat, you can click on costumes. There are two of them, 1 and 2. So go back to scripts. Now what I want is I want the cat to move automatically. So I'm gonna say I want motion. That means I want it to move 10 steps, and I want it to change how it looks. So I click on looks. There's an option that says next costume. Now if I double click on the blue option, it does this only once. See that? If I click on it, it's not doing it automatically. So I click on control. There's an option that says forever. So if I just put this here, see, now I double click on forever. Right now I click on stop, so I move it back. The problem is it's happening too fast. So I guess you could probably, make it slower. I could say move 1 step and then double click on forever. See, so it's kind of slower, I guess. Or if you want people to click on it, I could click on events. So I can say when clicked, so if you click it, it's going to move. So if I click on the play button, or if I click on it, see, I've just stopped it. So if I click on it, it's going to move. So if I do this, it starts moving. And what I can also do, just stopped it, is remove the forever option. So I can just do this. So when you click, move 1 step and then next costume. So I click on it. I guess I click on this. See? Or I can just say move like 20 steps every time and then next costume. So I click on it. See? It's moving like 20 steps really fast. That's one option.